Please welcome on Easy Rock Plugged In, Justin De Dios. Hi!
Hello po. What's up, fam? Hello po.
Hey! Again, thank you so
Hello,
much.
DJ Shai.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you rin po.
Hindi ka naman nahihirapan mapunta dito.
Hindi ko po alam kasi natulog po ako sa biyahe.
That's the best kind of biyahe. Yung matutulog ka na lang.
Yes.
Kung kulang na lang sana, binuhat ka pa, di ba?
Tama
Yung parang
po
nung bata tayo. Yung matutulog ka sa biyahe, tapos bubuhatin ka na lang.
Favorite ko po yung matulog sa biyahe.
Oh, di ba? Especially since you're so busy, I'm sure you try to get every sleep you could possibly get, I'd imagine. But my important question is here, kinabahan ka rin ba kahapon sa Facebook breakdown, whatever that was last night?
Actually, tulog na po ako nung time
Good
na
for
yun.
you! I'm so proud of you, Justin.
So, pagising ko na po doon ko na anong meron? Ba't ano sila sa ex? Anong
Oo,
meron? Ganyan.
but you know, why is everyone frantic and panicking on Facebook? Marami nagjo-joke about it. Okay, nakalmado na tayo lahat. So yeah, for those who got scared yesterday for the Facebook thing, hindi po tayo na-hack, sorry. Hindi po tayo na-hack. Pinagtripa lang tayo ni Mark Zuckerberg real quick. And you know what? It's all good because we're finally back here. Again, Facebook is up and you are watching it live on our Facebook page, Easy Rock Manila. So on that note, let me just remind you that since you're already here, do share this video to your friends, to your loved ones, to your enemies if you want to. You know, peace offering kumbaga. Hey, tara nood tayo ng interview ni Justin. I don't know if it could work that way. Baka naman, di ba? You know, to try to put you guys together again. So yeah, all those other good stuff, again, please do share it. So you could just spread the love of Justin being here with us here on Easy Rock Plug-In. So Justin, besides being booked for guestings and gigs, what keeps you busy to the point that you have to take naps even during your biyahe?
Ano nga ba? Puro guestings kasi pa, puro events kami, solos and groups. But kapag may time na nasa bahay lang, it's either practice and then games. Talagang mahilig ako mag-computer games.
Oh yeah, what computer games do you like playing now?
Right now, naglalaro po ako ng League of Legends.
Oh.
And Fortnite, yan.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. So in fairness, at least you still really give time for yourself.
Yeah.
Ayan. Oh, that's good to know, diba? Despite Justin being ever so busy, nakakapaglaro pa naman siya, and just have fun for himself. So we saw and wrote about your appearance at the recently concluded TV series, Yan! Senior High as character Sanya's prom date. Anong feeling na, you've had your acting debut? Aside from, kasi syempre, you're sort of acting in your music videos and whatever, commercials, diba? Pero ito kasi it's like for a show. Anong feeling nun?
Actually, super happy po dun sa opportunity because ever since, parang actually, mas nauna kong maging dream na maging actor than performing. So, super happy ako nagkaroon ako ng ganong opportunity kahit cameo lang po siya. So, ayun, I'm very happy and surprised din dun sa, kasi bagong culture siya for me dun sa performing side. Magkaiba talaga. So, medyo, ganito pala siya. Interesting. And sana magtuloy-tuloy yung ganitong project. Parang ganun yung isip ko, gagalingan ko. Kailangan magtuloy-tuloy.
Sana na-impress sila. Baka naman may isa pa akong guesting. So, you're hoping for more TV guestings?
Yes.
What about, not really a serious lead, but, someone, a minor character in a series maybe?
Actually,
or a movie?
Ang pangarap ko talaga, either series man yan or movie. But ayoko po talaga ng main character. Parang gusto ko lang supporting or side character.
Okay.
And talagang pinakagusto ko, lagi kong sinasabi, basta mamamatay sa ending.
Gusto mo ng ganun pala? Gusto mo na may drama? Okay.
Parang,
That's a very different, That's very interesting, very different. A lot of people want to go out to, like, I want to end the show and the movie with like this, ako na sa taas, ako yung bida, parang ganun. Ikaw, gusto ko may dramatic, may dramatic death, ganun.
Yeah.
Na-envision mo na ba paano, like, na you fell off the cliff, mga ganun.
parang gusto ko po, it's either magsasacrifice ako para dun sa main character. Or parang lang po, kung hindi man mamatay, magpapaalam na dun sa mga main character na hindi na ako sasama sa inyo, ganyan.
Basta dapat may dramatic exit.
Opo.
Yun.
Pero medyo wala na siya, ganyan.
Oo, tapos magtataka sila, bakit kaya? Ba't siya umalis? Bakit ginanon yung character? Hala?
Yan, opo.
The controversy.
Yeah.
I love that.
Open-ended.
I love that. Sige. Looking forward to that to happen to you. Ayan. Support kami. As always, we're always here to support you, whatever path you choose to take. Acting, dancing, singing, etc., etc. But yeah, thank you for that. That was quite entertaining. That was a quite interesting tidbit about you. But for now, we want to know more facts or probably fictions about you with our icebreaker game called Fact or Fiction. Hindi ako nag-practice. I'm so sorry. So here we go. You've got this one. It's called, again, it's Fact or Fiction. So you basically just have to show people kung fact ba yung sasabihin ko about Justin or is it fiction. So let's start with an easy one. Justin would definitely identify as an introvert versus an extrovert. Fact or fiction?
It's a fact.
It's a fact.
Yes,
Pero alam mo, you know, you were saying earlier na gusto mo sana side character ka lang or sidekick guy or something. Pero you still exude this main character energy. Alam mo yun?
No,
Like
po.
you being you, very main character pa rin dating mo. So, it's hard to believe that you're an introvert. Pero, sino ba naman ako parang hindi maniwala, di ba, sabihin ni Justin? Okay, moving on.
Yeah.
Justin would rather choose to spend his weekends at home than outside. Fact or fiction?
Fact.
Fact talaga. What about staycation? Fact din.
Mas gusto ko po talaga sa
Bahay
bahay.
lang talaga.
Opo.
Oh, that's nice. Tipid. Di ba? Yung wala ka masyadong gasto sa gas, sa pagkain, accommodation, sa bahay lang.
Full battery ko eh.
There you go.
Opo.
Oh.
Bahay na lang. Yeah. Parang mas
tao na
gusto ko po
talaga.
mag-invite ng close friends sa bahay, ganyan po.
Versus
Other than going out and then,
okay.
ano.
Mas prefer mo mag-host na lang sa bahay mo na lang. At
Opo.
tahimik lang tayo lahat. Ganun.
Yes, yes.
Laro lang tayo. Now we know what to expect in case Justin decides to invite us to his home. Fact or fiction? Justin is more of a dog person than a cat person.
Fiction.
So you're
Cat
more of a
person.
cat person.
Yes,
Kaya
po.
pala, kanina with Miss
Opo.
Chen. Hi to Miss Chen. Shout out to you. How many cats do you have? Ito,
Meron pa
excited na naman
akong 3
ako.
cats right
Aha.
now po. 3 cats po.
What are their names? Tuwa ako.
Medyo
So-
mahirap. Yung first cat ko po is Saoirse.
Oo nga,
From
hirap
the,
nga.
yung celebrity artist po, actress po sa Western, si Saoirse
Yeah.
Ronan. And then yung anak, nagkaroon po siya ng anak. Yung isa po is si Mengay. Mengay na lang bigla.
Sorry, balik natin na. Balik tayo. Sa first cat is
Saoirse.
Saoirse from the character What's Wrong with Saoirse. And then the beautiful name is followed by
Mengay.
Mengay. Classic.
Yeah.
Wonderfully. Ganda ng tunog. Grabe.
Actually,
Mengay.
tatay ko po yung nag-name doon. So, nung nanganak po yung cat ko, sabi niya, ito si Mengay. So,
Agad.
Alright.
Okay, wala na tayong choice. Sige, si daddy kasi Okay, si Mengay. And then the third
And
one.
then yung next po is si Tim Tim. Kasi
Tim
black
Tim.
siya. So,
So
Tim
Tim
Tim,
Tim.
itim. Yeah.
I like how we really like to play with cats' names. It's either sobrang sosyal, yung nga ganun, it's played around with Tim Tim, or, pero mga aso naman, mga Rover, Spot, Cooper, ganun, di ba? Mga normal na pangalan para sa aso. So, mga pusa na baka complicated. My cat's name, by the way, is Catherine Zeta Jones. Catherine Zeta Jones.
Catherine.
Because it's cat. Di ba? Di ba? Ang daming arte. And then the other one
Cat
is
lang.
Angge.
Ang galing.
Short for Angelina Jolie.
Ang galing. Ang galing.
I'm not ashamed.
I'm
Di ba
not-
sabi ni
Hindi na rin
Justin?
ako mahihiya with
Di ba?
Saoirse.
Appear tayo dyan. Pak. Ang haba nun dahil sa tanong na yan. Okay, thank you. At least we know you're more of a cat person than a dog person. But would you be open to getting dogs?
Actually, meron po kaming family dog. So, hindi personal talaga, but family. So, ang name niya naman is Lisha.
Lisha kasi?
Saoirse. May Lisha.
Gotcha! Moving on. Fact or fiction? Justin keeps an archive of unreleased material. It's a fact.
Yes po.
Oh, so ang dami.
Mahilig po ako mag-collect ng mga videos. Even nung, kuwari po, lalo na po yung mga trainee days namin as SB19.
Aha.
And even yung mga bata pa ako na mga video-video ko, ganyan. Marami po akong imbak sa bahay na ano.
Na-feel mo magagamit mo pa ngayon? Like, you could get something out of it? Feel mo?
Parang ano lang po, parang sabi ko, ayoko siyang mawala, memories. Kasi
Ah.
makakalimutin din po ako. So parang yung mga videos and pictures, it will remind me of.
It would be
Those
so
times.
nice to go back to, you know,
Yeah.
in the far, far off future when you're still at the top of your game. Naniniwala ko, it's still so good to go back through all of those. Pero naniniwala rin talaga ako na we'll be expecting a lot of unreleased na nakatago lang na materials from
Pag
Justin.
natripan ko po sige, post ko nga
Sige,
to.
post nga. Throwback, ganun na. All right, well, thank you for that really quick fact or fiction, Justin. Now, let's talk about your song, which you're going to be performing later on, which I know a lot of the fans are so excited to watch you perform later on. But is there something about Surreal that we don't know yet? Like, would you be willing to share a fun fact for our viewers?
Di ko po sure if alam na rin ng lahat, but I'm going to explain na
Minsan
lang.
kasi nakakatakot, no? Like, akala mo hindi pa nila alam, pero
Opo.
nalalaman nyo, paano? Pero sige, they may or may not know this, go on.
So, yung Surreal po is actually, nasulat ko po siya 2 years ago pa. And kasabay niya po is 3 other songs na nasulat ko din during that time. And I feel like lang na si Surreal is parang medyo mas buo na siya compared to the others. And ang first title niya talaga, yung working title niya is Parallel Universe. Kasi nga yung Surreal is about living in a imaginative world. So ayun po. Tapos wala rin ang background sa music, but then nakasulat ako ng ganong kanta, so I'm very happy about it. Ano bang fun fact about it? Parang ganun lang.
Nainis ako sinabi mo wala akong background sa music. Excuse me? Excuse me? Hindi halata? Like, how dare you tell us wala kang background sa music with the talent that you have? I'm not even kissing up or whatever. I was gonna say a bad word. I'm sorry. Muntik na. But you get what I mean? Hindi ako nagsisip-sip or anything. Kasi it's so hard to believe for you to say na wala kang talent sa music. Because again, aside from you're such a great performer, you've also written songs, di ba? Written songs. Sakala mo naman alam ko yung repertoire niya. No? But seriously though, so it's very hard.
Siguro po, it's because din lang sa journey ko with SB19, dun ko lang din talaga natutunan and na-experience lahat. So, parang, kaya napakalaking impact sa life ko ng journey ko with SB19.
You learn a lot from them
Yes,
as well. That's so nice. Well, this one, Yara previously guested in one of our episodes of Easy Rock Plugged In, and we heard that you collaborated with one of them for the single. How does it feel working with, I hope I'm not saying it wrong, Jalou? Yes, of Yara.
Actually po, friends namin sila, yung Yara po. And parang we're in the same company before. So talaga medyo close din po kami. But dahil lang sa busy schedule, talaga minsan na kami magkita-kita. So nung sinulat ko pa yung Surreal and ginawa na nila public instrumentals, nila Josue, sabi niya, parang maganda dito maglagay ng girl na boses. Kasi nasa baba po yung boses ko lagi. Sabi niya, lagyan natin ng mataas, ganyan. Tapos isip po kami ng mga possible na kumanta ng part na yon. Tapos po naisip agad namin si Jalou. And minessage po namin. Tapos G naman po din siya agad. So nakakatuwa lang na makita ulit yung mga old friends and parang magka-work ulit kayo. And ayun po, I'm very thankful din kay Jalou kasi talagang nakadagdag siya ng magandang element dun sa song.
I agree. Well, how about for you? Like, for you as a solo careerer, anong word na yun? As a guy who's going solo, is there any kind of collaboration you hope to have in the future?
Yes po, actually. Other than parang mag-song collab talaga, parang gusto ko rin pong i-share yung mga ideas ko with other artists, like gumawa ng music video for them, mag-conceptualize, ganyan po. And pero gusto ko rin talagang mag-collaborate ng song with an artist, like yung mga pinapakinggan ko po sa local, like si Cup of Joe, MRLD, ayan po. And ayaw ko pa magsabi ng mga big artists.
It's okay if you can. It's
syempre,
alright.
yung opportunity, nahihiya pa ako magsabi. Pero,
I get that.
syempre, mga nilulook up namin na nasabi na namin before. Ayun po.
That's exciting. Of course, again, there's nothing set in stone pa naman or anything like that. But you know what? We're looking forward. Whether that's with you becoming a producer, director, creative, whatever, what you call it, the background lang, or actually the face and the voice in front of your next project. Either way, we're very excited because you seem to be very just everywhere and talented. You know what I mean? Well, how about this? Let's talk about your music video naman. Who or what was your creative inspiration for the music video? There we go. We're flashing it right now.
Yung vision ko po sa music video is parang naggaling po siya sa hilig ko with trees, forests. So I don't know anong meron, but nung bata pa po ako, parang na-enjoy ko talaga pag nakita ko ng mga sceneries na forest, mga halaman, ganyan. As kuwari po, alam niyo po yung mga sirang sasakyan, tas napalibutan na ng mga halaman. Sabi ko, ay, ang ganda. Lagi akong ganon. So, di ko lang bakit. So, parang dun po talaga nanggaling yung concept ko. And then, inspired din po siya sa mga movies na napanood ko, like Bridge to Terabithia, yung mga ganyan po. So, mixed with all those ideas, ayun pa yung kinalabasan.
For a guy who chooses to stay at home, like, do you do hiking or something?
Na-try ko po once.
Na-try ko once,
Yes.
never again. Ganun ba?
Hindi naman po. Na-enjoy ko siya, but then, parang, pag gagawin ko siya, kailangan ko mag-focus din with hiking. Parang ganon.
Okay. You're not just doing it for the one time lang.
Yes. Apo. So, sana, pag may chance din ulit next time and may saktong schedule na free, sige, tara, hiking. Pero, ayun po. Na-try ko once.
Ingat ka kasi ang dami sa mga fans biglang mag-hiking rin. Diretso na yan sa mga sports centers, bibili ng mga gear just to go attempt to hike with you.
Actually po, yung first time ko na hike po na yun is with the fans.
Oh, that's so
Yes
cute!
po. Project nila yon for Masungi. So, nag-donate po sila at kami nag-donate for Masungi para po to help yung place po na yun. Tapos, nag-hike kami together with
That was
the
in
fans.
Masungi rin.
Opo.
Ang saya rin, nakakapagod yun, no?
Yes po.
If you guys haven't tried the Masungi Trail yet, it's so fun but so tiring, especially if you're a beginner. Pero talaga sinasabi ng mga guide na parang mountain goat na kung mag-climb, yung sobrang petics lang sa kanila mag-climb ng super steep na hill. Ano sabihin nila na, ito pa po yung basic trail. Are you joking me? So I get why first and last mo, kung yun ang na-try mo. Na-imagine ko rin kung bakit. I understand. But anyway, thank you for that. Well, we saw that your fans, the J-League, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes po.
Yeah.
They're one of the groups po of fandom.
So they held a fundraiser to help you promote your single. Ibang level yung pagka-supportive ng fans. First off, you mentioned about the whole Masungi thing, and this time, yun nga, girl, nawala ako. Sorry, yung teleprompter ko po. Sorry. So going back, they helped you hold a fundraiser to help promote your single. What's the feeling? Like, again, that level of support with your fans.
Actually po, to be honest, parang medyo, nakaka-guilty naman, nakakahiya. Kasi parang, talagang fundraise pa sila to help me to promote my song for my debut. So, pero talagang doon ko po sobrang ramdam na ramdam ko yung pagmamahal at suporta po ng fans. And talagang, hindi ko alam, wala akong masabi kasi lagi na po kami nag-thank you. And parang yung binabalik na lang po namin is talagang tinatry namin yung best namin. Talagang kung anong, parang tinatry namin na yung connection namin with the fans is hindi lang parang fan and artist. Parang gusto namin medyo family. Kaya pag mapapansin nyo rin po sa online, medyo nagbabardagulan kami, ganyan, naglolokohan, para po ma-feel talaga nila kami as a person, not just someone na nakikita nila on screen.
I can get that. And guys, as a person who's only hung out with Justin for a few minutes today, online before when I did their press conference and whatnot, napaka-humble ng group. That goes without saying, but we'll still say it, napaka-humble po nilang lahat, including, of course, Justin. And we're very thankful that you're here today. We're grateful, we're thankful as well, and of course, we're gonna be getting you to sing in a moment, but before we do that, please invite your fans, our viewers to please check you out. Where can we check your single, your social media, and if you have any other upcoming events that you'd like to share to them now?
Yes po. Hello po sa inyong lahat. What's up, fam? This is Justin, and I just released my debut single, Surreal, na available na po siya sa lahat ng streaming platforms online. So sana po mapakinggan nyo. And yung music video po, available na po siya na mapapanood sa YouTube. So ayun, sana rin po ay mapanood nyo. Ayun, gusto ko lang din magpasalamat po sa lahat ng tao behind Surreal and yung team behind helping my debut. So maraming salamat po. Onesie Entertainment. Of course, fans, 18, taga Maisan. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo.